be transformed your financial life, want to make $1 million, want to become a billionaire or even a millionaire, then keep on watching this video, because I guarantee you before the end of this video you'll be one step closer to becoming a millionaire or even a billionaire, because I'm going to unleash the 7 proven ways on how to make $1 million, or even because I'm going to unleash the 7 ways on how to make $1 million. A millionaire is an individual whose net worth or wealth is equal or exceeds 1 million units of a currency. It might be in dollars, euros, shillings, nairas, rands, Japanese yen, franc, rupee, yuan, dinar, drachina, cedi, all those currencies. So welcome back to my channel. It's another great Monday, the last day of September. So next video will be unleashed on a new month next Friday. So make sure you watch this full video to get the vital information and today's free match. Everyone here is dreaming or even working hard to be a millionaire one day. Today I'm revealing the 7 secrets on how to make $1 million that no millionaire is willing to tell you. So first, remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more informative videos on every Mondays and Fridays. And remember to share this video to your friends in social media. So let's dive into the entire blueprint on how to make $1 million. The first method, which making many billionaires, that is celebrities, to be millionaires, is dropshipping and franchising. These are two different things. Dropshipping is where a merchant does not physically handle a product. This is where he usually buys the product from a third party and let it be shipped to the customer directly without him or her handling. This is one of the ways through which Kylie Jenner, the celebrity, is making money through dropshipping, while franchising is using a trademark or a business system after being guaranteed the rights to start producing your own products or selling a product to a given market. Number 2 is investing in index funds. This uses power of compounding interest, that is time to be a millionaire. So it can take a decade or 20 years at least for you to make a millionaire. After investing maybe $2,000, you can be a billionaire within 10 to 20 years. The third way is to create a subscription service, e.g. the Netflix. Through those movies, they have developed a subscription service where you have to pay for you to watch those movies in Netflix. Or even you can develop an app like the Candy Crush. They are making millions of money through those games. You pay, you download the app to play. Number 4 is to provide value to someone who is a multimillionaire. That is, you work for him or offer services. Or even you have to learn to surround yourself with millionaires because of the power of proximity. And if you can't afford that, be in the top 10% of lucrative profession. That is, those pharmacists, engineers are getting a very high payment. If you can be paid $90,000 per month, or even $85,000 in 1 year, you can be a millionaire. Or even you can write a book and post it at Amazon, whereby if you are selling that book at $10, you need 100,000 people to buy that product for you to make $1 million. Or if that book you are selling it at $100, you need 10,000 people to purchase that book for you to be a millionaire. Number 5, we have buying and flipping houses or venture into real estate. This is due to appreciation, whereby the property of the building can be bought at a lower cost and be sold at a higher profit margin repeatedly over time. This can raise funds for you to make $1 million or even rent out some apartments inside your compo. Number 6 is to go viral online or on YouTube, or either creating and selling an online course. This is very profitable, because if you are selling a course at $1,000, you just need 1,000 subscribers or people who are interested to give you 1,000 each, and you become a millionaire within a small span of time. Lastly is number 7, through football betting, which is different from casino gambling, bingo, or playing poker, or even buying lottery tickets. To tell you the truth, it's easy for you to die by a lightning struck or in a road accident than for you to win a lottery ticket. This is why I'm specific only through football fixed sure game betting, where you are 100% guaranteed to win every day or every week. So you need a minimum of, let's say, for example, 20 odds daily for you to take 5 days maximum. If you are staking with $100 and you are allowing it to compound without withdrawing, let's say the first time you bet with $100 of 20 odds, you will win $2,000. The same $2,000, you stake it again for the same 20 odds, you will win around $40,000. The same $40, you stake again with the odds of 20, you will win around 800,000. So the 50th time when you stake the 800,000 with $20, you'll get $1 million. That is the easiest way in this planet for you to become a millionaire, 100% guaranteed. This is because all the above mentioned ways need some capital to start with, and it will take you some amount of time, that is long period of time, for you to actualize your dream of becoming a millionaire. And keep in mind, you need money to eat, money to shelter, fees, upkeep, travel, or even to dress. All these costs need to be met daily. So that's why I encourage you to join our VIP group to actualize your millionaire dream. Finally, today's free matches are Norway, that is Viking versus Mjadalen, full time 1 and over 2.5. Second game is Slovenia. The fixture is Almunchi versus Celje, which is full time goal and over 2.5. Max bet to win big and join us in our VIP group and experience the financial freedom we are talking about. We have the most flexible and affordable packages. First option is VIP group, which is the cheapest, available from Tuesdays to Fridays plus. Then second package is the standard half-time full-time ticket, available on Tuesdays to Fridays, and the third package is the premium full-time correct score ticket for Saturdays and Sundays only. Interested and ready to win prospects, contact us on WhatsApp through those numbers and also in Telegram, and follow me in Facebook at Dixon. We have changed many people's life. As you can see, many of them have won. These are their winnings, and we will continue crashing bookies every week. Subscribe and share this video to many friends in social media accounts or platforms. And if this video was helpful for you, remember to give us a like. Thank you for watching.